My name is Yuli and I've been working with wool all my life and professionally since the 1980s. I want to show you how easy flat 2D needle felting is. Anybody can do it. The postcard needle felting kit is great for beginners. Needle felting is like drawing, but with dyed wool fibres needled into the felt rather than using pencil and paper. It's fun and immediate and can be learnt quickly, and what could be nicer than sending a handmade woolen postcard to a friend? If you want to delve deeper and make something bigger, then the wall hanging kit is for you. You can choose the size and background colour of the felt, or let us know by email the measurement you want if it's above 2 metres. This is a community piece we worked on, which is now on display at the National Trust Drogo Castle. Apart from myself, all the participants were complete beginners. Once you've chosen your kit, you will get access to my entire library of tutorials, and your kit will arrive in the post in the next few days. I provide you with the tools, the background felt, and the dyed wools. The kits are entirely plastic-free. We make them up ourselves, here in Devon.
You don't have preconceived ideas about what the results are going to be, and that's why a lot of people who perhaps have written themselves off in terms of other artistic endeavour or whatever at school, people who think they can't draw, people who think they can't sew, felt because it's more of a culturally, it's not as widely known, is it, as what we think drawing and sewing is. So you can give it a go because you don't have a preconceived idea of what the result's going to be. And actually, what you discover while you're doing it is that the medium does a lot of the work itself.
You can kind of direct it in a certain way, and it just kind of moves with you, and it's and it's so beautiful, the end result.
It's a very forgiving material and way of doing things, but you can pull it away and then shape it and change it.
And actually, you can lie underneath it and keep warm.
Yes. It's multiple uses.
Yeah, it's great fun.